sky and candy clouds.
Hey divas, so in today's video I'm here to share with you guys this fabulous unit. This fabulous unit is being brought to you guys by Feat.Feelgrace hair. So yeah, if you guys want to know all the details and the specs on this hair, then definitely keep on watching. Okay divas, so jumping right in, today we have a kinky straight unit. It is in 12 inches. It's by Feat.Feelgrace. So here I'm just unboxing it and showing you guys, or unbagging it rather. So it comes in another bag, and then it comes in this little mesh type of bag, which I thought was kind of cute. They definitely could work on their packaging, but hey, I'm not mad at it. I guess it's just minimalistic. So here's their card which says Feat.Feelgrace, and I actually like these to wear those underneath my wig caps. So here's the actual unit. Now, me taking the unit out, it was very, very soft, but it did have like a smell. It wasn't anything that was too harsh, but it was there. Like, I was able to smell it, so I was kind of like, But anyways, the hair is really, really soft, and here's the cap construction. So as you guys can see, this is a 4x4 closure wig. It does come with 3 combs. It comes with one directly behind the closure area, and then, or excuse me, it comes with 2 combs, and then one in the back, and there's also adjustable straps. And there was the parting space that I showed you guys, and then here's how it looked. I have not bleached the knots yet. So I am going to go in and trim it just a little bit because I felt like it needed to be trimmed, because I was going for more of a bob look, and I did like try it on, and it was just not, it was a little bit too long. So here is how it looks after I washed it. So now I'm going to go straight into styling. And yeah, of course I'm going to finish out with my closing thoughts and let you guys know how I feel about this kinky straight bob.
Baby, I can smoke it all. Say now you I want to see when I wake up in the morning. Say now you I want to feel anywhere that I be going. Baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. So nobody better than you. I know. I say nobody proper than you. I know. Then one boy and we jam money, yo. We jam money, yo. Them they feel you from London to USA. We could do it my way. Baby, make you ginger me. I wanna feel ya. Anything you do, make I feel em. If I never do, I'ma go talk em. Baby, you get rock em. Need for protein, baby. Love you, baby. Dagu, party. I say, I just gotta tell you, it's in my mind, you gotta know. Body smoking like a cigarette. Baby, I can smoke it all. Say now you I want to see when I wake up in the morning. Say now you I want to feel anywhere that I be going. Baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Original bad man. John Tricks on the beat. Original bad man, you done know.
It's Feat.Feelgrace.
Standard.
body smoking like a cigarette. Oh, baby, I can smoke it out. Yeah. Say now you I want to see when I wake up in the morning. Say now you I want to feel.
Okay divas, so now that you guys have gotten all the details and the specs on this unit, I am here to tell you guys how I feel about it, so let's just jump right in. Okay divas, so first of all, I am feeling the fluffiness of this unit. Like, it's just so freaking nice. Like, look at how gorgeous this is. Like, it's just like a nice fluffy bob, and at first I was afraid. I was like, oh my gosh, it's gonna be too much hair, but it's actually like a nice healthy bob. Now for some people, they might like their bobs thinner, but I feel like this is like a really good fluffy bob. Okay, like this density is pretty good. I feel like it's not too thick and it's not too thin. And I'm not sure of the density. I believe it says 150 density, but I feel like this is a lot higher, but maybe it's just because it's kinky straight hair. But anyways, let me go ahead and tell you guys the pros and the cons. So I was skeptical. I was like, I've never tried this hair vendor off of Amazon, which there's a lot of hair vendors I haven't tried, but I was just skeptical. I was like, like, how is this gonna work out? But honestly, like, this hair is really nice. So when I first received it, it was a complete 12 inches. I think it was a little bit longer, but this is supposed to be a 12-inch unit, and it was really nice, really full and everything, but I don't know, I just wasn't feeling it in a 12-inch, so I just cut like an inch or two off. As you guys seen, I think I showed you guys in the previous clips, I did cut some of it off because I wanted it to be more of like a bob on me. Now it probably could be a bob on some people, like a 12-inch, but I have a shorter neck, so some bobs, like, they look like more like lobs on me, and I knew I wanted this to be a bob. Like, I wanted like a really like fluffy beautiful bob, so that's why I went ahead and cut some of it off. So I did cut some down. Now when I first received the unit, the hair was nice and soft, but it did come with like a little smell, and I was just like, but it wasn't anything that was excessive, but it did smell like a little weird. So of course I went ahead and washed it. I went ahead and bleached the knots, and then I washed it, and I let it soak in shampoo, and then I washed shampoo out, and then I let it soak in conditioner as well, and then I washed the conditioner out just to get rid of that smell. And it did definitely get rid of the smell, because I was like, no ma'am, like, I will not be wearing a wig that smells. But yeah, so yeah, it did come with a smell, and I don't know if that's just mine, but I'm just letting you guys know like all the full details. So yeah, it did come with a little smell, but the hair was very fluffy. It was very healthy, and I really did like that, and it was really soft. Now as far as the cap construction is really nice. This is a closure unit. It comes with your standard cap construction, it just has a comb, which I'm glad it doesn't have combs here. It just has a comb like kind of in the center, which I wouldn't use, but it doesn't bother me. And then it has a comb in the back with the adjustable straps, so it's pretty standard cap construction for a pre-made closure wig. So yeah, that's the cap is not a problem for me. I feel like it's average head friendly. It could fit large and small heads, which is really good. It's not like super big, and then it's not gonna be too tight, so it's like right there in the medium at average size, with me being on the larger size of heads. That's the perspective that I'm coming from. Bleaching the knots on this unit was fairly easy. I used 40 volume developer as well as quick blue bleach, and I got a pretty good result. I did have to go in and pluck some of the hairline though, because it was pretty dense, which is to be expected. Most units are dense, and it did not say pre-plucked or anything, so they're not out here trying to deceive you or anything. But I did have to go in and pluck it just a little bit, and as you guys can see, it looks very natural. Now these are my edges. If you guys are new to my channel, my edges protrude out. That's just what it is, and that's why I love closure wigs, because this is like melted, and then with my edges coming out, it kind of makes this look like a frontal. Now I did have plans to wear this in the middle, but I just hated the way it looked in the middle. I was just like, not feeling it. Like I was just like, I don't feel like a part today. And then I tried a side part, I was just not feeling it, so I just wanted to go with like a no part look, and I'm glad I did because this wig melted right into my skin and it looks really, really good. And that's another thing I want to talk to you guys about. Like I've been trying this bed head for like 2.5 months now, and oh my gosh, like this is so bomb to lay down your wig. I've been trying other products too when I wear wigs off camera, so I'm gonna be able to bring you guys a video on like my favorite things, like from my most favorite and my least favorite to lay down my wig, because I know we are all tired of using Got to Be That Same yellow bottle. So yeah, you guys should definitely try this because like it really melts your lace down, and it does, like, it really does not take like a super lot of effort, and then you don't have to worry about like that crunchiness like that everybody hates, because I know I hate it. Yeah, overall this wig is really, really nice. Like I love how fluffy it is. I am always here for a kinky straight unit. I feel like this looks so natural. Like I feel like I can be like, sis, like what wig? This is my hair. What are you talking about, sis? Like this is my hair. But yeah, this is very natural. It did take some work to put in. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, it did take some work for me to put in, but you guys seem like so yeah, you guys can be the judge on whether or not you would get it. I would definitely recommend it because I feel like it doesn't take too much work, but it's definitely not beginner friendly. So if you wanted it to be something that's more laid back, this is not it. You do have to put work in, but once you put the work in, it's definitely worth it. And this is a very nice quality wig. Some wigs, you know, you come across the closure wigs and they're very, very thin. This one was not that, okay? Like this one is very full, and it is like a really nice texture of hair. Oh yeah, let's talk about shedding and tangling. So as far as shedding and tangling, I did experience some shedding, which is to be expected because usually with kinky or curly textures you experience shedding. It wasn't anything that was too excessive, but I did experience shedding. I'm experiencing a little bit of shedding right now as we speak, but it's not anything that's like super excessive, but it is there. And then as far as tangling, I did not experience any tangling whatsoever. Like not even when I washed the wig. When I brushed through it when I first got it, there was no tangling, but there is shedding. I did want to let you guys know that. But yeah, divas, that's pretty much it. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video and find it very helpful and easy to follow. And if you guys are interested in this wig, I will definitely leave a link down in the description box below, so be sure to go ahead and check that out. But yeah, divas, thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it. If you fabulous girls did enjoy this video and find it very helpful and easy to follow, then definitely go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear from you fabulous girls and know what you guys are thinking. And make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell, girl, because I do upload quite often and you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, divas, thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I'll see you fabulous girls in my next video. Bye.